Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's completely up to you. And then let's open the settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find the additional settings. And here go to the accounts and sync. Let's tap. Here let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure again that you've got the internet connection, it is required. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password. So after entering, tap on next. So here I have to verify myself, so just give me a second. Alright, so this is what you will see after entering the password. So you have to decide who will be using this device, so either you or any other adult person or your child. So just mark the option and then tap on next. Here, Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. As you can see, we have to be patient with Google services. So here we've got the backup option. It's up to you whether you want to use it. If not, just tap on this switcher and tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And obviously you can quickly turn off, actually remove this account the same way you've just added it. So go to additional settings, go to accounts and sync, and tap on Google. Then tap on more and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.